Hello guys, today is so special. Let me start right away. Let me show you this. Take a look. Today I'm going to show you an amazing pizza sandwich. How to make it from scratch. But most importantly guys, I'm going to show you one of the best sandwich places that I ever been. Everywhere, this is one of my favorite sandwich places, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two special sandwiches. Also, this guy have a special sandwich that I always get. So I can't wait to show you all this art. You can make this easily at home. So once you remake it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram, Vito Jacopelli, right there. And of course, share, it's totally free. Go ahead and enjoy this video. Super excited guys, so let's go ahead and let's meet the owner of this place, my favorite sandwich. Can't wait to show you what we got today. Make sure to watch until the end and go ahead and subscribe, it's totally free guys. Today I'm going to show you something magical. Let's go. Okay my friend, yeah, finally we are here.
Vito, welcome back buddy.
Thank you. We got everything for my friend today.
How are you guys?
So what we gonna eat today?
We're gonna have the Italian.
Italian for Italian.
I mean, obviously, come on.
Of course, guys, we have to make the Italian sandwich, which is the most popular of this place, right?
Yeah, that's number one.
What's inside this Italian?
Mortadella, capicola, salami, provolone, iceberg, roasted red peppers, onions, oil and vinegar, oregano, a seeded baguette. It's beautiful.
Wow, so many Italian ingredients, so I can't wait to taste this. Let's go ahead.
Let's do it.
Give me that sandwich, man. Wow,
Cheers,
take a look,
appetite.
chin chin. Italian, that's what I'm talking about, Italian style. What are you going? Come here, man. You shy. That's it. I'm still gonna eat this.
Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
But okay.
I don't eat on camera, I'm sorry, I had to turn around.
No, but the time is short. The main reason we are here, besides to find the best sandwich place in Los Angeles, is because I want to create, for the first time, just for you, and fast, the pizza sandwich. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm gonna finish this one.
Yeah.
Okay, my friend, it's time. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so excited to show you this sandwich because this is gonna be, you guys can make this at home, super simple and super fast. 5 minutes it takes to make a pizza sandwich. Look at this. You ever made a pizza sandwich?
I've never made a pizza sandwich, no.
That's what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and cut your bread here exactly in 2 pieces. Just like that, right now. And then the first piece, the top part, we go ahead and spread this layer of garlic butter, not too much. Of course, just need a little bit, just the flavor. Gonna make the bread a little bit nice and crispy. Voila, so this one we put in one side, done. And now that's the magic is gonna happen on this bread, on this part of the bread. Let's go ahead and let's cut the provolone cheese, or we can also use the shredded mozzarella. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this provolone. I like provolone always because it makes the flavor gets all together. It looks fantastic. Extra. Break like that. So voila, now that we have cheese cut, I see here you have this Monty sauce. I use that too all the time.
It's the best. I have a fresh pot right
Fantastic.
here.
Yeah,
We always keep
give me the hot.
We always keep some hot sauce on the stove.
Nice, lovely. Nice hot sauce. Let me taste this. Wow. Wow. So let's go ahead and let's put a nice spoon of hot sauce on top of our bread. And now just slightly go ahead and make it like you are making the pizza. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Voila. Let's go ahead and we put the cheese on top. You want to put the cheese everywhere. This way when it melts, you're going to see how it looks. You're going to have the crunchy, lovely bread. Nice extra. And now let's go ahead and put a nice pepperoni. I like those pepperoni, they're little, and you can really tell that it's the classic American pepperoni. Let's go ahead and let's put a lot of this. You're gonna cover everything. Now a little bit of olive oil on top of the bread. Then I'm gonna show you a secret ingredient at the end of this. So now let's go ahead. Let's place this on top of a pan, this and this, and then let's go ahead and let's cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. So about 5 minutes. Can't wait to show you the secret ingredient.
Yep.
Okay, so 5 minutes pass by, my friend, and the sandwich is lovely, probably ready.
Definitely.
Woo! Take a look of this bread. Wow, this sandwich. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's put it on the table. Let me show you closely. We're gonna finish. Oh my God, this is the crunch out of this world. Now let's go ahead and let's finish up this with a little bit of oregano, not too much, a little bit. Now we're gonna put some nicely and freshly grated pecorino on top. We want to do this when it's hot, you know what I'm saying? This way it gets nice and melted a little bit. That's it, boom, boom, boom. And now it's time for the secret ingredients. Hot honey. I bet that you guys didn't know that. Hot honey is gonna melt everything nicely together. So let's go ahead, let's put the hot honey on this part of the bread. You don't want to put too much, so be careful. You want to put just a little bit like that. That's it. Boom, 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 baby. Voila. We're just gonna cover the pizzas. The
Can't wait
pizza
to
bread
try
is
it.
ready. What do you think of that?
It looks beautiful. I can't wait to
Voila.
try it.
Okay, my friend, the best part is now. Listen to this, listen to this. I'm gonna get this microphone out here. You're gonna listen to this because here we have the texture, the soft and the crunchy in the same time. Can you please hold this microphone?
The moment of truth.
Right there, the moment of the truth. The truth. Voila. Let's get, look at this. You close it, and this is the pizza sandwich. Let's cut it. Oh my God, did you hear that? That's it, did you hear that? Look at this. Fantastic, fantastic pizza sandwich. Wow. Let me cut it in a little bit more pieces because everybody wants
Of course.
this. You know what I'm saying? Go for. Use your first pizza
My first pizza
sandwich.
sandwich.
Oh, the sauce is amazing, man.
Oh my God. The honey.
I told you that. Lovely. The honey on
Oh.
the. Hey, you guys need to taste this, man. You guys need to taste this. Outstanding. Wow. It's good, huh?
It's amazing.
I had another guy tasting right here. We're gonna get his reaction. Let's see, what is it? Tell him from the camera. We wanna hear.
Uncle Paulie's pizza sandwich. Vito.
They say they're gonna call it Uncle Vito.
Uncle Vito.
Listen to this. Wow. Can you?
Delicious.
I don't want to say bad
Did it
words.
again, Vito.
I don't want to say bad word. Let's go make the second one.
Try
Let's go.
Uncle Vito.
Wow. I can't wait to show you also the second one. Let's go, let's
Let's
go.
do it.
I'm gonna finish this, my
Yeah.
God. We are shooting the video and my daughter is playing around here. You know what I'm saying? We work and we create content just for you. Come on, smash that like. Let's go, guys. It's totally free. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna start to work here. So let's slice some mortadella. This is the special number 2. So mortadella, it needs to be cut super thin. Let's go ahead. Let's place it right here. It's gonna remind me my hometown, Puglia. I remember my grandmother used to make this every day, man, every day. So a nice, good amount of mortadella. It's good. I love it. I love it. Let's turn it off. Let's go to the counter. Let's make it.
Hold on. Can I give you a hat?
Oh, okay. Now I'm officially Uncle Paulie employee.
That's it.
Okay, my friend, let me get the bread. That's it. You guys have, oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Cimino. It reminds me of Italy, of Sicily. You know, in Sicily, it's famous bread is always put with cimino. I don't know how to say this in
Sesame seeds.
sesame seeds. So let's go ahead. Let's cut this in half. You want to keep it a little bit open, just like that. You thought that I make only pizza, eh? I do also sandwich. So let's go ahead with the base of mortadella. Just one shot right there, boom, then boom, 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 done. Now we got some fresh burrata, of course. So let's go ahead, let's open up this fresh burrata, get it all. And now let's spread this inside the sandwich. That's lovely. The secret ingredients is the pistachio. Everything on top, like it's raining. Boom, 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 voila. Now let's go ahead with a little bit of oil on the part there is no well, we understand.
Yep.
So what I like to do is to put a little bit in the oven, nice and warm. That's it. Close it. We keep it there for about 2-3 minutes.
Perfect.
Just the time to warm up everything and blend everything together. Can't wait to taste this one. Okay, 5 minutes pass by and wow, it's ready. Wow. Give me that. Ooh. Ooh. Let me go ahead. Let me cut and let me show it to you. It's time for the cut. So I'm gonna cut this. Listen to this, the crunch. You know what I always say to my videos? The pizza needs to be soft and crunchy. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about, soft and crunchy. Let me cut a little piece more because we have people here back here that wanna eat. Know what I'm saying? Giro, fammi vedere. They wanna eat. They wanna eat. Voila, one piece for you, man. That's what I'm talking about. One piece for me, chin chin, like we say. Oh my God. What's your thoughts?
Oh my God.
Good?
Unbelievable.
What do you think of these two special ones?
I would love to have him here at the deli for a week.
Aha! So he's going to pick one.
Uncle Vito.
Uncle
Uncle Paulie's.
Uncle Vito, Uncle Paulie. So when they can find this special?
As soon as your video comes out,
Okay, guys, the video is coming.
that's when it'll be here.
Keep this in mind. Once you see this video, of course, I'm gonna put in description when the week is going to be available. If the date is passed, just ask him or whoever is here, and if they tell you that it's available, it's available. If it's not,
It'll be available.
come next
Don't
time.
worry about it. I got you.
And smash that like, guys, if you think this video was the best and easy. And of course, come and visit Uncle Paulie. All the information is gonna be down below. Los Angeles, California. And you have a more location?
I have Studio City and downtown, and this is Dirt Street.
In New York?
No, just in LA.
Just in LA?
Yep.
Planning to open New York?
Eventually, yeah.
Since you are from New York. Thank you so much for having me
Thank you
here.
so much,
and
Video.
I'll see you, of course, come
see you
here
soon.
every
Of course.
week.
I'll see you soon.
in the next one. Guys,
Thank you
smash
for
the
coming.
like and subscribe.